In this next example, we see how the power door lock circuitry actually operates within the system. And this again is a system that is actually, as we're going to see next, controlled by its own power door lock module. Most of the actual systems nowadays are controlled by some kind of module. Gone are the days where you are going to see a power system or a control system with a point-to-point connection, meaning the switch directly connected to a motor. So again, in this particular case, we see the power door lock module connected to its ground source, and this system is actually ground controlled. How do you know that? Because the system, the motor, is directly connected to the fuse or to the power supply line. Again, in order for this motor to be activated, a specific positive pulse has to be implemented by the actual module. Again, the polarity has, in this case, has to be reversed for the actual power door lock to move up and down. But this is just one side of the circuit, and we are trying to simplify it for sake of explanation. And in this case, we see that the actual system, it's connected by a some form of comm line seen all the way at the bottom, and this actually means that the system is interconnected through a network by way of a comm line, communication line. In this particular case, where you can see that it says CAN A and B. CAN is a control area network that is widely used now on vehicles, and it is mandated by the year 2008. Here we see the current flow from the actual ground line of the power door lock module itself, through the internal circuitry, through the actual power door lock module or motor, and all the way up into the voltage supply line. The current flow is important in this particular case. Keep in mind that you also have to have a the data path in mind. Again, the blue line, as we just saw, actually determines the path of electrons through the actual module itself, and the green line is the switched or the ignition switch side that goes to the module. Again, a lot of these functions are controlled by the body module, but in many instances, a separate module is actually used to control these specific functions, such as power windows, seats, and door locks.